Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make ice cream mochi. First, gather your ingredients like sweet glutinous rice flour, sugar, and water for the dough, plus cornstarch for dusting. You'll also need your favorite ice cream. Begin by scooping about 5-inch balls of ice cream onto a parchment-lined tray. Place these in the freezer for at least 30 minutes to ensure they are very firm. Now, let's prepare the mochi dough. In a microwave-safe bowl, combine 100 grams of sweet glutinous rice flour, 30 grams of sugar, and 150 milliliters of water. Whisk until smooth. Cover the bowl with plastic wrap, leaving a small vent. Microwave on high for 1 minute, then stir well. Repeat this for another minute, stir, and then microwave for a final 30 seconds until the dough is translucent and sticky. It's time to assemble your mochi treats. Generously dust a clean work surface and your rolling pin with cornstarch to prevent the sticky dough from adhering. Carefully transfer the warm mochi dough onto the prepared surface. Roll the dough out evenly to about 1/8 of an inch thick. Use a 5-inch round cookie cutter to cut out circles of dough. You should get about 12 circles. Now for the fun part, wrapping. Take one frozen ice cream ball and place it in the center of a mochi dough circle. Gently bring the edges of the mochi dough up and around the ice cream, pinching them together at the top to seal completely. Ensure there are no gaps. Place each finished mochi back on the parchment-lined tray. Freeze them for at least 2 hours before enjoying your delicious homemade ice cream mochi.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.